Hold on, wait.
Wait.
Phone.
Oh, okay, I got it.
Hold on. That way you have more room.
Yeah.
Like, well, I need to cut something out.
Cool.
I'm pretty sure it's not.
Yeah, because I mean,
It's not gonna get stuck underneath, is it, on these?
Well, no.
Look at, cause of, no?
No. Because the wheel so covers it.
yeah, because we were going to pick it up.
That's true.
Go going from? This is
Here,
4
watch
inches,
it, I'm
right?
going, I weigh more. Fine.
Yeah, we
And
do
if we
need
get one over, I'm pretty sure we could get the other one
Yeah.
over.
Oh.
Wow, it goes over. Yay, the lifter! Oh, and then that happened.
Why don't we move it somewhere else?
We need like our own little testing field or something. Well, Ray's got enough to build half the field. A driveway.
They don't want to do it though.
What?
Yeah, we were talking about it. Remember on that?